back at you with another one, you know. Today, Julian, Prinny, Sky, might take me out on an adventure. But yeah, take me, Prinny.
So today we're going to Bulkers Beach and Park in Scarborough. It's a beach, lake, you have yacht, boats, everything. So you have to stay tuned. Jet skis too, come on, you already know it is.
Yeah, me excited because see what I'm going. So the first time you go there, you go on school trip, right?
Yeah, my school trip.
Okay. So it's the first time Julian, right?
Very first time.
You can't
so
wait
let's hope me enjoy it.
Yeah.
It's gonna be an experience, so guys.
The water might be cold.
Right.
You know this sauna?
Let's see. It's order 6-7 or 6-7.
Come on.
So just stay tuned and watch what I'm going, you know. We're going to take on the road here now.
And remember, like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notifications.
And tell a friend to tell a friend.
To come subscribe to Davian.
To Newman Reality TV.
Yeah, man, that's not bad. I just trust that you can call me, you know. But that isn't anything can happen.
Newman Reality TV 01.
So you'll find me. Yeah, man, so tell a friend to tell a friend.
You know,
Newman
got the
is
bangers, so you have to subscribe to come back and to know when we post videos.
Alright. So, Julian,
I'm out.
yeah, for real. So just stay tuned and watch what I'm going. Taking up on the road and showing how we can show as usual. And
I'm hungry.
we just go see what I'm going, you know. I have some photo. I'm going to show it, man, alright?
I'm going to show you everything, yeah.
Yeah. So we need to just get a bag of ice, you know. You go done ready and alright?
Yeah.
So alright, catch you on along the way.
Summer's just begun.
Come on.
Yeah.
Summertime.
Alright.
We out.
One plate, give me. Give me one next plate. One.
Yeah, man, this is how I'm eating now, guys. Yeah.
Nah, that boss, you know.
Yeah.
Please leave him alone, I beg.
Can you send one?
What? This guy one?
Guys, we don't eat shrimp, so you don't know.
Yeah, Prinny don't eat
You
shrimp.
need trim, what you get? Sorry. So you get?
Fish and bread.
So So we just there, I go and mash up some of my food and because it's not so. We're just there.
Lemonade is finished.
Beat some lemonade and some fish and bread and
Done by
shrimp,
the
you know?
chef.
Yeah, done by the chef. One new man, you know? So, yeah.
The chef is at the back. The chef is at the back.
I want to say I beat you, Jolene. Alright. Stay tuned now, watch you go. We there feast before we touch on it.
Yeah. And the pizza, even though we're in the parking lot, but
Yeah, we're not parking lot
so
at
ready first.
Yeah, before we go on, let's say, you know? Alright. Yeah, so we're head out there now, you know? Sunlight, I give you a fight, but you don't know. Yeah.
Umbrella, we should
Yeah,
have
man,
had.
sunlight, I give you a fight, but as I tell you, we're out there now, you know? Yeah. Yeah, man, I tell you, say, reach from the front of the beach, you know. I tell you, since you're coming out of the cool shade, yeah. You come. We have to walk you first and see where I'm going. Yeah. We walk the beach and see where I'm going. You know. Juliana, call me. Yeah. Just keep it. So now you say beach part?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably you'd have to go on this side. Wait. That not that too far? The man, they can't get them on the man.
At that, me tell us, Shana
Yeah.
did have your car them, but anyway, I know police now two cars, you know?
Yeah,
But
this
when it smoke, that's what me
yeah.
tell you. This is the little
Lunchtime. Lunch ready?
Sorry?
The lunch ready?
No, yes.
No, not as yet.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, guys. So really hot still. Yeah. We're still there. Yeah. Soon taking up on the front and back on the sewer, alright? Alright. Stay tuned now, watch you going. I'll try to get a little squishy back here, sir. Yeah, so nice to still.
What should I pour we really have? Where do you man go sit on?
No, let me after me, I'm going in the water.
Yeah. You don't have to go in the water, man.
Daddy, where there?
Me have my bag.
Nobody finish the thing good.
The place, you know. Left Julian up there, so. If you come here and say it, I say it's sun hot. It's my first time, I don't know. Show you what the place look like. Yeah. Just stay tuned and watch you all going. And there. Girls them out. Boys them out, the kids them out, everybody out. For real. As I myself don't know, been promising already, you know. Then anyway, new man go in my car, no, don't know, you see it? Yeah. For real. It's nice. Man, Jamaica, you know? Yeah. Give a box. I'll get around that phone and then when I do I see that fight that long time. I'm not play one now. I used to be back in the movie. I used to run and sing a lot. That's real. I'll take a ride off one now there. Stay tuned and watch your body out and about. See?
Big guy, how are you, my brother?
I want to ski back again. You know? See, man? Yeah. That's nice, man. Yeah. I'm not a long time. I'm not taking a ride for one of them bike here. It's so hard, God. Stay tuned and watch out, God. People in the water. I'm soon going to take a truck off to West Africa and salt in this car. So you have to wash off sometime. You have to take a dive, you know? Yeah. Yeah. The sun really hot down there, I'm not telling you. The sun very hot down there. You're not going to the water?
It's kind of calm, like in the evening.
Yeah.
You know, we should bring the things here.
What?
Like the igloo and at the back.
You don't want nobody traveling nothing.
What do you mean? I'm going to go sit down yourself.
No.
Oh, can't you? It's a romance man, as somebody like you.
Yeah.
Or somebody just don't get cool for now. I don't know what to do.
Yeah.
But I always tell us the smaller one is movable. We have to be the big old one then. Which one are you one? I've seen it before.
Sky eat off all I see already.
You know them Sky.
You could have a roast fish one that.
Yeah.
Sky done.
No, shut up. No, get school shit. No, come go in the water.
Oh, the thing I Uncle Jamaica alone, blue water there. We have blue water here. We are about to enjoy our blue water. We're not talking about white water. We're talking about blue water. That's really what she said. So right now, I do not miss Jamaica. You know what I mean?
Because look, real sun. Watch out.
Real sun.
Hey.
Real sun. Hey. Stop right, stop right.
No, but the water is very nice.
Yeah, man, so we just they are cool off, you know. As I say, my sister jet ski bike down, I'm going to take a sail off for one car long time. I'm not saying none, you know. Eh? The sun kind of hot down there, I'm not telling her lie. Yeah, so we just they are cool off, you know. Definitely I'm going to touch the water, man. So stay tuned and watch out, and we'll soon touch the water.
People come and get your children and stuff. Everybody going
You see, people have to cover up head. Yeah? So have to cover up head, you know, man. The sun hot. Just stay tuned, guys, and watch out, man. You're there, you know. Dive! I'm not tired still. Go on. Go. Stay tuned, man. I watch you all go. Bernardo. Guys, we're gonna have fun, you know? That's when we have to reach to. Yeah. Now them are firing us, I don't know. They enjoy themselves.
So guys, we're going on the jet ski.
Can you help me?
Turn around. Get this. Put it here. The first one.
Oh, I'm scared.
I'm gonna put it. And come on, jet ski. Tighten your vest. Pull it. Pull that string. Pull it. No, close it. Close it. You could zip it too. No, but it has to tie it. It has to be here. Open it first, then button it, then zip it up.
Yeah, this one you can zip and the key make sure you come back. Okay? Let's try to push it all the way over there. Then you can start the machine. Okay? Boss, you have in your hand?
Hold on. He has to button up the thing. No, you could keep on the glasses. Jet ski, guys. Come on, you already know what it is. You have other people out there in their jet ski. Then come, push it. So my dad and my sister is gonna go on the jet ski first. Because, you know. So if y'all want jet skis in Scarborough, and you already know, you could get jet ski everywhere, but, you know, yeah, this is the one in Scarborough. The waves are literally heavy, so hopefully they'll come back fine. Like, look. I'm not trying to go too far, because, okay guys, look at my dad and my sister, come on. Sky, hold on to come on, let's go, let's go.
Cause every time that I try to run from your love, it's like I fall right back into your arms. No, I can't live without your touch, no. It's like I can't escape your love. Escape your love, escape your love. Yeah.
Yeah, it is. I see Sky hanging off for her life, yo. How was it, Sky? I'm see her try stuff off. I look at this up. You like it? You like it? Put it back in there.
Go and follow with him, Sky.
No.
Go and follow with him. Go and follow with him.
No, picture. No. I would have stand up. You just have to hold on.
Yeah. No,
Yo.
That's
If
all
we
the
have
thing
rough
when I
out,
back.
them not tell a lie.
The part when I back, wait a minute, I just hold on for this and me go in the water and it just dry.
And that me do. That's what I did.
But I was scared.
I don't want nothing for you. I just say, Sky, I take time. You see if you never out here. I know I can't swim, but
The waves too, the waves are like...
yo, it's just a box sprinter. Trust me, it's a box hard.
I tell you to go faster.
But me a video one time, you nearly take my phone.
Yeah.
So me have to go on the sun. So me say, I don't want the phone you got.
My God. Guys, it was fun though. It was fun.
The palm me before we go in the water.
See
the scream out, bro.
Sky love it.
But I love it.
Sky probably a ball, you know.
Yeah, Sky love it, man. But me no want dash it too hard with him, master. Because me say, you don't want nothing wrong. Because bike we turn over, you know, because it's a dash. Yeah.
Come back.
Yeah, man, we do this more often.
I'm wanting for myself next time.
You can pay. Sky, don't sit down yourself. Jolene, we just come off a jet ski.
So me have to go pan it now.
Yeah. I think you can manage it. Let's say
Me go manage it. You come on.
Me need to go pan it.
You rough like wow.
Me want to go pan it.
It's not rough.
Go pan
You have
it.
the skills. Sky, me I go see that. So nobody wants to see.
I don't mind fault that me I told them to come back.
And you enjoy it? After you know you come back?
What that? You want a rough man, I tell you lie.
You rough? You want to feel roughness?
For real. So guys, here we just take a little ride there now, man.
You know what?
And yeah. What's that? Just right there, sir. You know it.
Some group of boy pass sister. If you want to come and chill with them.
You know, should I go on, man? For real.
Come and have
Yeah, they want to take a chill on your part.
It look like me hungry.
Alright, stay tuned and watch what I go on, guys. We're there. Fresh up back again with some juice and ice and get back to you, alright? Cool.
Round two.
Eh?
Round two.
Back in idea again.
What's the face, guy?
So I don't get this to whatever. Yeah.
Next time I'll put your shrimp.
No fish.
Mango.
Yeah. So stay tuned and watch your ground. Guys, say no say. Come up on the top and get some good views. People never out and about. On the rock here. Yeah. So you're around me did out this. And Julie now in ice cream break. Ice cream break, guys. My one
Yummy in my tummy, yummy.
Oh, we are doing
In my tummy.
I had ice cream break. What do I do there now, Julie?
Look how my name is, me auntie.
Alright, me I say I'm for me and for Prinny. Gone on, so water them.
You guys don't know how to eat ice cream on a cone.
You know what I show them?
Let me show you how you do ice cream on a cone.
You know what I show them? Watch Pretty and get down in life. Get down in life, Pretty.
Cool, you know?
Lady with them fishing running, but I will catch two fish in the evening. We should have kept my line, you know? For real.
You want to put on ice cream? Give one.
You guys are so childish.
What can I say? How them and them want to put by ice cream? You get?
Sour patch. I just say I want to go in the water because you know I want to pass it.
Oh, no, not going in the water. As soon as you go in them and everything, but.
My and daddy are going to get the water in my food truck. Yeah.
Up here, Chabona, give me this.
What give
Pretty
me
cool. You cool? So you have
My
to say.
belly full.
Where's it happening now?
My stomach is really full. No, man, never give me that Dominican country.
You take care of family, man. You're not bad people, man.
The auntie might come.
No say water too rough, me not going there. I can't go wet up my skin.
Auntie, just come up with us.
Me wet up and me go to go catch me too.
You come in nice to go in the water now, my change your mind. You sky?
No, me never ask them. Anytime me go to the beach, me not go in there.
My hit your back here, I want.
Alright.
No, you want to go? Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Ready?
Newman Reality TV in the house, you know?
Let's go, man.
Yes, let's go see how it's play. What's wrong?
Run it back. Recircle.
Recircle.
Ready?
No.
So what's your name?
My name is Omer.
Omer? And you are?
I'm Mason.
Messi.
Big man Isaac, yo.
Okay, and you are?
I'm Jakey.
Okay. So who's the best here?
Me?
Who's the best? You are the best.
I'm the best.
You are the
I'm
best?
man.
I want to bet some money, you know. You are the best.
We'll see.
We'll see. So, or it's play. Let's go see.
No, his sir.
It's sir.
Take this, go. Yeah, his sir. Oh! So he's not the best.
Yes, he missed.
What's it, 2-2? Yo, what are you
missed
doing?
again.
2-2. Sit, boy. Sit. Again! Rim again! You don't cut it.
You're watching it carefully, eh?
I'm watching it. Oh yeah, it's serious. You. Oh, over. I got your. Oh! No, you do! No, you do!
Bye.
That's gone.
Yeah.
Too easy. My bad.
Yeah. Go, Sky, you can go on. Now come in, go.
You're not coming.
What a nice night, you know, like. Time like this, I don't time you must see in the water.
Come here.
It's cold, you know? Yeah, guys, see that it is, you know? For real. Water cool and nice, guy, right? Look how close the bird come. Just right there, so if you come pick up something a while ago. See, can you come wet up my shots, eh? Yeah, man, if I have that, you know. Catch up here, and wet up here. Because he's sick too, you know that already. Not too wet up yourself. You see? Sky. Watch it to there. Yeah. Sky, they enjoy himself, guys. What? We're not leaving there, you're mad. You shall wave away your box. Don't forget to do that. Look how you wait up here, I'm telling you to wait up here. Oh. You know you're easy as sick. Eh? You know you're easy as sick. But I'm off duty, I know, say everyone have to stand their own responsibility. So kids, keep your parents at your own risk. Alright? So the cancer will never get the warning. Alright, can remember what happened earlier on today. Alright? You man is sitting and look for me. Special to you, you couldn't tell Julian say no.
Tell me say no, sir. I'm going to tell Sky, so let's go.
Go where? Sky, why you do that? Because Sky throw sand for me. Don't throw no sand for me.
But with the sun, no. Sky, stop. Cry.
I said, look how Sky do me, guys. Don't do that, man. I said, Lord, I don't want nothing at me, you know. I just take time and come back in with me and Sky. Come here, Sky.
Stop standing up yourself.
Yeah?
Fix yourself good enough.
I say, Lord, I take that one at a time I carry me, them I say, I have to come close to the bike, you know. I'm not saying I beg Prinny come now.
Inside.
Yeah.
My daddy changed my mind.
For real. It was fun still if Sky never left on him, me that go more. Me that go more harder. Me that go more harder, you know. Wanna walk and look for me for? Eh? Wanna walk and look for me for?
Yeah, main reason why I get up on a walk.
Me tell you some other circle on a walk and look for me.
Go in our car, me drink some water to cool me down and then start walk.
And to go people
and then me start walk.
Yeah, so Scarborough could go look for him.
Me dirty.
Oh God, me say me going out and I have to jump out. Fast. The bathroom. Woo! You believe something? No, not that.
It poured in pallet too. We go like
Sky don't want to come out of the water. Sky don't want to come out of the water at all. Come on, to real. You just stay and enjoy it, you know? That's for real. Come on, support, man. Tell a friend, your man is out, you know? Yeah, we are going from a different angle again, you know? Yeah. You just stay and go and enjoy it. No, it's a good vibe. Yeah, man. Yeah. Man, a good vibe. A long time I don't do this, you know? Long time I don't do this. When they say somehow I plan to do and work for this, you know? And I come back at the location again, you know, but you know, probably further on now. We have some different kind of locations to check out, you understand? Alright, so we have a go on all of them, alright? Cool. So stay tuned and watch what I got now. I think we're going to come back down on the side of here. Go fade out here now, because you don't know. It's 7:30 now, you know? But to 8 now. You see the time now? Yeah. So, keep closer to the side there, man. See them, brother? Dangerous. Dangerous. Time for go here now. Now come back down. Now come back down from the side there.
go nowhere.
Yeah,
Just
then,
go home, nowhere.
then I even know if I'm on you out, you know.
What time?
To 8 now. Tomorrow is another adventure, so you don't know. Can't spend the whole day yesterday.
And
If you
today.
get some rest up and have 2 things to deal with here. You understand? Yeah, man. As I tell you, man, it's a good look.
You forgot your stuff.
A long time I not come on them places. Yeah. Enjoy it, you know. Stay tuned and watch for it there. Yeah, so we are head out here now, you know. Yeah, man. That's a peaceful day, you know. Yeah. So we are headed to car now and go change off and Toronto, you know. For real. Can't go no more than so. It's a good day. Yeah. The man support, man. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Bring a bathroom that, right? So no son have to go clean off properly. Sky stay body in foot them and wash off and so on. Look how most me have that about park. Yeah guys. I'm gonna get back to the car now, you know. Yeah. Back at the car. Yes, let's stay tuned.